I'm going to show you today how to use roundups to. Hey everyone, I'm going to show you today how to use roundups to do a price comparison for the same product, and then you can tell your audience a little bit about the product and then where to buy it. If the product is offered by, more than one source, you may want to say, here are a couple of options where you can buy it. And that takes a little bit more work because generally, when we do a roundup, it's not a roundup of the same product from multiple sources. It's just a roundup of similar products. But we're going to look at one product today and present a couple of different options of where you can buy it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose this custom option. We're going to want to import the same product from two different places. So I have here two tabs open. I have these Beats Studio Pro wireless headphones from Walmart, and they're being offered for $429.95. And here is the same product being offered by Amazon for $279. So clearly this is a better deal. But we want to provide some insights on the product and why people should buy this product. We're going to turn that content into commerce and drive click-throughs to the one that's the best price. So let's import. We're just going to select this link in the browser, and we can use the import tool here to import this product from Walmart. And once we import that one, we're going to then import the Amazon one, and we can generate our roundup. But we start with one product at a time. We don't grab both because it's the same product. We just need some data from one, and it'll actually take the data from both listings and write something that combines the data from pulling data from both sources. But at this point, we're going to start with one. We want to just pick wireless headphones in this step. And then now we're going to choose the style of roundup. We're going to do a head-to-head because we only have two sources here. If we had that product offered by more than two marketplaces, we might choose three. But let's just do a head-to-head. We don't need a comparison table because we're not comparing products. All we want to do is just give them a couple of buy now buttons to different locations. So we'll include the pricing, but we'll uncheck the comparison table. I'm going to click next. And now what we're going to do is we're going to want to import that other version of this product. The other source of this product. So that was the one that was Walmart. Now we're going to go to Amazon, and we can just copy this link into our browser, and we can paste that in. Now we're going to import that, and it's going to get, at a minimum, we need an image and we need a price. So that's the other data is extra. Oh, we need a title as well, which we have. That's easy to get. But now you have the same product imported. And you can see here the selected products, they're pre-selected for us. And we can, we have different, let's just click different pricing, different review ratings, because they come from different sources. So let's just click continue. And now we're going to need to get a headline for our roundup. So we'll probably want to write something custom because it doesn't know that we want to do see, it's giving us headlines like two wireless headphones. Well, it's the same headphones. We could go with that one, but let's just write something custom. Where to buy the Beats Studio Pro headphones. We can make these capitals, I guess. Where to buy the Beats Studio. Where to buy Beats Studio Pro headphones. We don't need the. There we go. Okay, so now we've got our custom headline that we've written in here, and it's going to start generating the roundups. And if we want to just do the expanded view, we can see here, we're just going to wait for this to generate. And we're going to need to do some fine tuning or editing of the Roundup to get it the way we want. You can see here I've already done one here, which is where you should buy a laundry detergent. So we also used Walmart and Amazon as the examples for that one. But we're just going to wait and let this one generate, and I'll show you what we're going to need to do. It takes 30 to 60 seconds, usually not that long if you only have a couple of products. If you have a long, see, it's already done. If you have a long list of products for a Roundup, it takes a little bit longer. It's got a lot of information to parse through. But now we have a draft, and we can just click View. And let's take a look at this just to see, how to choose the best place to buy. So it sort of had an idea of that we wanted to, make this all about where to buy it as opposed to which product to buy it, because it's the same product. But we definitely don't need this because it's not picking from multiple products. So let's just click this Edit Roundups button. And let's get rid of the stuff we don't need. So we don't need top picks. We don't need this. Well, let's see here. When choosing where to buy your Beats Studio headphone, consider factors such as price, shipping options, and customer service. Okay, this seems like fluff. We don't need this. So let's get right into the product. So here's the product. And you can see here that if we scroll down, we're going to get the pros and the cons and why you'll love them. And then we get our call to action here. But we also have the same product. So we don't need the same product and all this stuff twice, right? So we only need one product. But what we'll do is we'll keep the current price. We'll get rid of everything else for the second one. You just select it. And now I've deleted it. And we can see here, which one was the better price? Well, Amazon has the better price. Okay, so buy now on Amazon. And then we'll keep the price. And then we'll leave that button. And then with this one, we'll change to buy now on Walmart. And this is just sort of formatted the price a little differently, but we can clean that up. That's why we have the editor. So now, and then we can keep the FAQs. Where can I buy Beats Studio headphone? Okay, that's good. What should I consider? Wrapping up, custom footer. Okay, so everything else looks pretty good. I mean, if we preview this, it's going to take a second. It updates. And now you can see here, there's our product information and the pros and cons about it, why I love them. And there's our 2 different places for where you could buy. Now, if the user clicks here, they're going to go to Walmart. And if they click here, they're going to go to Amazon. So that should, we can then, we can export it. Or if you're using our WordPress plugin, you can import it directly from the plugin in your WordPress. So you install our plugin and you'll see all your draft roundups there, and click the ones you want, and you'll import it into your WordPress. Or you can publish a direct link and share that as well. And we'll add more options over time as well. But if we don't support your publishing channel or your CMS, you can always just copy it, and it'll copy what you see here to your clipboard. We just can't guarantee it's going to look the same as our editor. Or if you wanted to copy the HTML, you can do that, paste it in, and then you can actually edit it in a code view, an HTML view. But lots of options here that, and for now, if I wanted to publish this, I can just publish this to Roundups. Yep, I'm sure. And now I'm ready to tell my audience where to buy Studio Pro headphones and provide them with not just different places to buy it, but a little bit about the product and why they should buy it. And we have a roundup. All right, hope that helps explain how to do price comparison for one product. Thanks for watching.